Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Here is a quick review of the IMOU outdoor CCTV camera that I purchased from Amazon. Inside the box, you get the camera mount along with the required screws and of course the power adapter. This is the slot where you can insert the memory card, and it's good to see that it is secured with screws for added safety. The device comes with a LAN port along with Wi-Fi capability. The camera also has built-in LED lights that are used for night vision, and the speaker grills are placed just above the lights. Overall, the build quality of the camera feels solid and reliable. The user manual clearly explains the steps to install and configure the device, and the entire process is very straightforward. The configuration through the IMOU mobile app is very simple, so I am skipping the detailed setup process in this video. The mobile app itself is easy to use, and there is no noticeable delay when viewing the live video feed. The dashboard feature in the app looks good and shows some useful statistics, but you will need to subscribe to the cloud recording plan in order to access these details. Yes, this camera is compatible with Alexa devices, and it works without any issues when viewed through them. This is the position where we installed the camera. The motion tracking works across all possible angles, but there is a slight delay. So do not expect it to instantly track or follow very fast movements. Here are some sample footage clips. The camera captures video in a 4:3 aspect ratio, and the video quality is definitely usable. The zoom quality is also acceptable, considering that the camera is placed in a low light area. However, do not expect smartphone level clarity. This is a CCTV camera. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. The product link is available in the video description for your reference. This is Tech Devotees signing off. Bye for now.